Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix account picture error. This picture couldn't be saved in Windows 11. Open File Explorer. Click three dots, click Options, click View tab, check Show Hidden Files and Folders. Open Users folder, open Username folder. App Data folder, Roaming folder. Microsoft folder, Windows folder. Open Account Pictures folder, delete picture file. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.